Hi students, I am Mrs. Alka Sehgal, your new art teacher of class 8th. Today I'll be taking your class on how to make trees. All you need in this class is a pencil and a paper. Paper can be your art sheet or A4. As you all know, trees have distinctive form and shapes. We must first need to know the basic shape of a tree. In winter, we see the bare form of a tree. Learn to draw it. In this video, we'll be showing two different shapes of a tree and which are very commonly seen in your daily life. I start with a line and make a oval on it, a basic shape of a tree. Why I have made this oval line? So that you know the basic shape of the tree and you don't go beyond this line. We thicken the trunk to make this lower part of the trunk, and next is we add the branches. Bigger branches and smaller branches. This upper area is known as a crown area. In this crown area, we spread the branches by splitting them till the edge of the crown. Here are the branches which I have extended it in the entire area. The small and the big branches. The big branches are these big branches attached to the tree, the middle trunk of the tree, and then split in the area like this. Now we have to make the leaves. After we have made this, we are making small leaves by giving a scribbling pattern on the branches. Now tree cannot be hanged in the air like this. Complete this exercise throughout the tree like this. You can make it on this side also. Now tree cannot be hanging like this in the air, so we need to give some base which is in a form of a grass and some flowers on it. While you make the flowers, you can just show some dots. I'll again do it, darken it with my sketch pen. You don't have to do it with sketch pen, you are doing it only with pencil. Now this is your center of the tree, which is a trunk. From the center of the tree, we make these branches and split the branches in the upper crown area. Complete this in all sides, making I have done it with sketch pen only to show you that in the video my pencils might be not very prominently seen. So these are the leaves which I have done it like this. This you will be doing it with pencil. And also with this pencil you can do some shading in the trees at some areas, not all. This will be your final look of the tree. Another demonstration of a tree I am going to give you is a seascape tree. As before, I draw the line and the crown. So in this seascape, since it is at the shore of the sea, the line I am making a slanting tree. Now this is the trunk of the tree, and in this the crown is roundish, and on the right hand side the crown will be more. It is not symmetrical, it is more on the right hand side because it is windy, and we are showing that a tree is flowing on the right hand side. All the stems, all the branches will be flowing on the right hand side. As before, the trunk is here and we are making the branches and the sub branches. Sub branches are the split of a branch. On one branch, when we make two branches, this is known as sub branch. Now children, again in this area, because it is on the seashore, we show some hill, a small hill on at the edge and some water here. This is your water. In the tree trunk, we will be showing some scales with the pencil, and in the same manner we will be giving some shading in the tree also, and again some of the leaves. In this we are making less leaves because I have shown here and I am teaching you here that the leaves are towards one side. This side will be less leaves and here will be more leaves. You can scribble in this manner to make the leaves, a dark and light leaves. Again, for your more clarity, I will be using this pen to give you perfect line suggestions. These are your branches and sub branches. You don't have to do it with a pen. Why I am showing you that it should be visible in this video and the instructions are clear. Now we are making some lines which are in a form of a shading. Now when you come to the edge, again we can show this grass area and some dots so that it signifies some of the flowers. The finished picture will be somewhat like this. Children, I hope you have enjoyed the session. Now keep practicing and stay safe.